I think reliable yung ambulate doon kaysa ano. So sabihin ko kay Tami tawagan. Kasi mabait sila yung mga Indian ba. Ang babait.
No, you remember I told you about that?
Yeah. Your girlfriend?
Yeah. Okay.
Takot ako sa mga malalaking sasakyan. Mapalit sa ako ba? Put ko matumbahan ko. Kagamay naman niya akong sakyanan.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, I am here and I'm going to the other house. Meron akong nakitang ano, yung magdadala ng mga matatanda galing sa bahay, i-pick up talaga nila yung mga ambulate ba. So yun, so I asked him, he's a nice guy. I will let Tommy call him. Okay, hold on. Anyway guys, so yun. So I will just let Tommy call him and then he will ask him how much for just for one ride. You know, just for one ride. And let's see. Because one ride lang naman yung hinahanap namin na ano, na yung sa Friday lang talaga. Pero ambulate man yun, oy. No, kailangan lang talaga yung kumuha sa kanya and then yung papasukin sa bahay, yun lang talaga yung kailangan. Kasi kailangan naghanap sila Tami ng ano, ng tao na mag-ano talaga yung tawag nito, yung pumunta sa bahay, magbigyan siya ng sandwich or ganon, yung mga coffee. Pero kailangan, ang importante dito is yung kunin yung biyenan ko para ihatid sa bahay, yun lang talaga. Kasi hindi na niya kayang maglakad at saka dalhin yung bag, at saka hindi ako makapunta dito Friday. Kasi alangan naman punta lang ako to pick up and then yung gas, sobrang mahal sa gas guys. Oy, kaya naman ng biyanan ko na magbayad ng tao. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ayaw ko na punta siya right. Kasi ano, so yun lang yun guys, yung kailangan talaga. Grabe yung araw ngayon. Oy guys, alam nyo guys, dahil spring na talaga, ano, ang gagawin ko is pupunta ako sa ano, start na naman ako ng garden ko. Yun. So mag-start na rin ako sa garden. Kailangan ko ng yung mga leftover from last year. Yun talaga yung dapat ibutin. Basta ibutin, mauna yun. Ang daming bangag dito sa kalsada. Oy, grabe. Yung mga bangag from leftover sa winter talaga. Grabe ang lalalim ba, yung mga bangag. Butas, grabe yung butas. Anyway, so yun lang guys. So sabi ko kay Tami, cab driver. Pero I think reliable yung yung ambulate kaysa cab driver. Yung mga taxi driver dito, I think reliable yung ambulate doon kaysa ano. So sabihin ko kay Tami tawagan. Kasi mabait sila yung mga Indian ba. Ang babait. Yung mga Indian sila, mababait, friendly sila ba. Yung kapag may makita nila kami, mag-usap talaga, kumusta, ganun. So, yun yung anuhin ko. Yun yung patawagan ko kay Tami. I think Friday. Kukunin ko din yung biyanan ko Friday kasi Friday or Saturday I'm gonna ask Tami to pick her up. Tami want me to pick her up Friday. Ang laki na guys ng pimples ko dito guys. Oh grabe. Nag-yellow na talaga siya guys. As I think bubuto na to. I think it's going to explode very soon. So, yun. And kapag na nakatingin every time I go out na may ano dito, yung yellow talaga, titingin talaga sila, dubulok talaga sila sa akin, nagdudubulok. Kasi akala nila kugmo. Akala nila bogor. Ay, naku, kaloka naman to. So, yun. It's 9:30, I'm here, I'm early. I'm early. Kailangan ko lang ito. Ito yung card that I won't forget. I will leave it over there. Dito na ako guys. Mag-edit lang ako guys. Yung mata ko talaga. Nagbilink-bilink. Bilink-bilink. Nag-ano, ganon-ganon na ito dito. Iwan ko. Edit lang guys. Mag-edit lang ako guys. Kasi kailangan kong mag-upload sa food time ko. Wala ako masyadong upload. And I was thinking of doing different na. Nag-edit ako ng video. And hindi kinaya ng mata ko. So, higa muna ako dito. Dito ako sa living room na sa kitchen pala dito. May bench. So, dito ako naghiga-higa. Yung video namin ni Tami sa Monday doon. Yun yung inano ko. And kaso, sumakit yung mata. Higa muna tayo kasi mamaya mag-drive tayo pabalik sa isang bahay. Ayaw tayong mag-sleepy kasi kapag sleepy ka, na. Disgrasya yung ganun. Kain lang ako guys. Lunch. Sumakit yung ulo ko. Nakatulog ako. Hindi talaga yung tulog na tulog. Parang putol-putol. Yung kinain ko yung dinala ni Tami kahapon. Tignan nyo guys. Yung squirrel. Andun. Kinakain lahat yung binigay ni Tami na pagkain dyan para sa ibon. Yung squirrel kumakain lahat. Kaloka talaga itong squirrel. And nakauwi na ako. Tingnan nyo, ang dami nila, oh. Wala, ang dami nila, guys. Wala nang pagkain para sa kanila. Hinurot. Hinurot ni squirrel. Kaloka talaga itong squirrel na to. Kinain lahat ni squirrel. Hold on, let me put you to the car. What the heck?
You what?
Okay, you were not in the car before, so now you're in the car.
Who's in the car? I'm not in the car.
The phone, hon, the phone call. I'm already in the car.
Yeah, I kind of figured you were driving. Usually you text me after you're already driving.
I'm already here in the I'm in the driveway.
Something to look forward to.
There's a lot of birds here.
A lot of birds can pick that up.
Over here outside. And there's alimokon.
Oh, alimokon?
Yeah, it's a bird, alimokon.
No, they come for food out.
No, the squirrel was there and now they don't have nothing left.
Well, they eat together. You'll see them eating with the squirrel. They'll all eat together. Yeah.
Look, the squirrel is there. I don't even realize. He's still there.
Yeah, and he crawls into the holes in between the stuff so he just pop out.
Ah, the squirrel is fat.
He's fat.
Yeah.
There's two squirrels that come there.
Ah, they are fat.
That's because they keep stealing all the food.
But it's like crazy over there. The parking is crazy.
Yeah, because they gotta have that parking lot under construction. One of that company. She don't really like being alone anymore. It's like, it scares her.
No,
Yeah,
it's not. It's just like always shocked for something.
Always shocked something.
Like always shocked. Like like you don't tell her that you have to leave after dropping her off.
Yeah, but she, she always hopes that they're gonna stay because she's uncomfortable with it. She's kind of afraid that, You driving now, or are you still sitting in the driveway?
I'm driveway.
Oh, okay. Well, you drive careful on.
Yeah.
Hopefully you don't hit too much traffic.
Hold on, where is my thing?
Where's you?
Oh, the jacket is still here, Mom's thing.
Are you jacket that? Brown jacket?
The
What did you get?
Huh?
Oh, did you have some coffee maker? You know, go back, and get one that does pods. Oh my God. She goes, you know, people leak stuff outside like the, you know what I mean? Remember that woman I said she's like in her 70s and her grandkids died? You remember I told you about that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, hon. I guess I'm gonna go.
Alright, I love you. Drive careful, and I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I love you too.
Text me when you're home.
Get the Get out. Get out. I am home. And it's hot, guys. My God. Ayaw. Gusto ko nang maghubad. Yung mata ko. Relax muna ako ngayon sa computer. Hindi ako mag-laptop ngayon. Kasi nag-i-edit ako the whole time over there. Well, not the whole time kasi nakahiga din ako doon natutulog. Pero after that, naka-edit ako ng 2 video. Time check. It is 6:20 na. 6:20 na ng hapon. Pero look. Spring naman kasi, guys. Spring na. Start na yung spring bukas. So, i-close natin to para hindi tayo makita ng kapitbahay natin. Maglagay lang ako ng konting, oh my God, itong pimples ko, guys, it's very annoying talaga, guys. Para talaga siyang kugmo, ngalimpilit. Nag-start na dumilim. Dumilim lang mag-start. Kanina hindi maginaw 50, ngayon 44 na. Kanina 53. May hangin kasi kaya maginaw. May share naman itong mga to. Wow! Yeah! What? Aray, katula ako likod, Rox. Come here, Rox. It's mama's back. Come up. Come up. Come up. Ayaw niya. Okay, let's go. Dalo ka tong dalawa. Did somebody eat din here? Oh, you guys eat a little bit. You did eat a little bit, just very little. Hala, hindi pa pala tapos. Akala ko tapos na. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Matutulog na rin ako. Palabasin ko lang itong mga aso and I will see you later. Bye, guys. Good night. Good night. Anyway, guys, good afternoon. 12:12 na. Alis lang ako. Kukunin, i-pick up ko yung biyenan ko, guys. Kaloka, ang ano pa naman. Mahangin, mamaya sobrang hangin. At alam nyo naman, ako matatakutin ako sa hangin. Roxy, come. Hi, Bog! Hi! Hello ko! Hello, tingnan nyo. Say good morning. Good morning, good afternoon na pala. Uy, mama has to go. Okay. Hala, okay. I have my cellphone. Meron na akong wallet at saka cellphone. So, hindi natin yan makalimutan. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Kunin ko naman yan siya. Kasi, wala namang problema sa akin. Pero this time talaga ayaw ko. Kasi yung weather. Yung weather is ayaw sumang-ayon. And alam nyo naman, if I told you, kung alam nyo, na ako, matatakot din ako sa wind. Sa sa hangin. Ganon. And alam nyo naman, pag highway, and then sobrang hangin, ang mangyayari doon is takot ako sa mga malalaking sasakyan mapalit sa ako ba. Put ko matumbahan ko. Kagamay naman ni akong sakyanan. But anyway, I will mount you guys. Pero wala pala ako si Tiyaw. Hala, grabe pala. Hala, si Tami ba yun? Bakit pinutol yan ni Tami? Kaluka naman itong si Tami. Nagpataka na lang pamutol. Pinutol halos lahat yung mga ano. Kaluka talaga itong tawa naman to. Anyway. Kaya ko talaga. Tignan nyo naman to, oh. Ang dumi. Kapag talaga mag-makeup ka, no? Ang dito, oh, mas madumi. Ay, nako. Itago natin yan. Ang dumi. Wala, sino yan? Sino? Andito na ako guys. Yung parking dito is nakakaloka talaga. Yeah, yung parking dito is nakakaloka. Andito ako nakapark sa ano. Sa talagang, ito may construction kasi doon. O, tignan nyo doon. Construction. Hindi ako makalarga. But anyway, so, kunin ko lang yung biyanan ko. It's early pa. 2:09. So, tingnan natin kung nakalabas na ba siya.
One eternity later.
Go in! Go in! Go in! I know. Aray, aray, aray. Ginoo ko. Aray. 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 Come here. Roxy, no jumping. What do you want? Huh? Come here. What do you want? Wow. What? What? You wanna go out? Give mama a kiss first. Give mama a kiss. Give me a kisses. Kisses right here. Behave na. Why you're crazy, huh? Kisses. Give mama a kiss. Uy. What you doing? Nagluluto ako guys ng eggplant. Nilagyan ko siya ng bagoong at saka toyo. Ang reaction ni Roxy ay sa bagoong. Ayaw mo sa bagoong. Hatsing ng hatsing. Alam ko naman. I know you don't like it, look. Kanina pa yan. Ayaw niya ng bagoong guys. Lutuin lang natin. Talong lang siya. Wala nang iba. Ano kayang hinihintay nitong dalawa? Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano. I'm going to shut the light off here, Misty. I'm going to shut the light off, okay? Yung mata. Yung mata mo ba? Okay, manghugas pa si mama ng pinggan, okay? I'm going to wash dishes first, okay? And, laro muna tayo. Tingnan nga natin to kung sino yung naglalaro. Thank you, guys! I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye-bye.